Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add archive story to your Instagram highlight. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram highlights are collections of stories that you create located at the top of your Instagram personal or business profile in the form of tappable circles. And what if you want to add more clips to your highlight and you want to put your archive story to your highlight? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. You can go to your profile. Here's my highlight. And I want to add more photo or video to my highlight. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on archive. So here's the archive story on our Instagram. You can choose on the story that you want to add to your highlight. For the example, it's just this one. And you can see there is an option highlight under the stories. You can just tap on that. And you can add to highlight by tap on the highlight. So the archive story, add it to your highlight. I will try to add these two. And now let's see the highlight. So here's the highlight on your Instagram profile. You can add the archive story anytime you want to your Instagram highlight. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add archive story to your Instagram highlight. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.